Your What's up, everybody? It's your boy Orlando, aka King Smitty. Welcome back to my trading journey. And it's time, everybody. It's time to go all in. But before we get started in this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you're tuned in, keeping track with my journey, see how we're going, see how everything's doing. And also hit that link below in the description. Sign up for Webull if you haven't signed up already. Take advantage of that promotion. Get 12 free stocks, anywhere from $3 to like 3,600, I believe. All you have to do is make a deposit. Give me $1, and you get some money back. And also, before we get started and me going all in, I just want to look at some of these swing trades that I've been doing. Because if you're on my social media, of course, you know that I've been doing a lot of day trading lately on the QQQ, and normally I'll do it on the SPY as well. But this first stock I'm going to look at is SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI, and everything below that peach line is like a buy zone for me. The closer to the peach line, but still under it, is like a nibble zone, but the further lower it goes from that peach line, it's like I load up even heavier. And that peach line is roughly around $6.90. You can see the stock is at $6.89. I did put a little limit order in. It got filled around $6.70. I have another order in, like a large order for around $5.90. And every time it goes above that blue line, I put like a trailing stop loss on, right? So that way, when it comes back down, when it goes up there and it starts to come back down, I lock in my profits, wait for it to come back into my buy zone, and I buy it again. That blue line is roughly around $10. So I'm making like a good, depending on my price range, just around 100%, because I got in around $5. But if I start buying at $6.90, if that was my average price range, that would still be like at least a 45% profit, right? I just going off the top of my head. Another stock I like to swing trade is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. I am holding some for the long haul, but anything below that peach looking line, which I want to say like around $10, that's my load up. I load up there. Around $15, I'm nibbling. Which is above that peach line, honestly. But anything at that blue line, I have a limit order in to take some profit, start selling some of these stocks. And then once it come back down to $15, I begin to nibble again. If it goes down to $10 or $11, I'm buying heavier, waiting for it to run back up. Those are my swing trade plays. And I already told you my day trade is QQQ and SPY. But it's time. It's time for me to go all in. And when I say it's time to go all in, they say you should never put all your eggs in one basket. But I don't fully agree with that. Let me tell you why. If you have a plan A and you're scared that you might fail, you're going to go and get you a plan B, right? You'll start to focus more on that plan B, so that way if you fail at plan A, you have something to fall back on. But all that time and effort you've been putting into plan B, you could have been putting into plan A this entire time, right? And so that's why I'm going all in on my plan A, and that's investing into myself. Reading more books, learning more chart patterns, the psychology of trading, and everything that comes with this territory, I'm going to double down in. I'm going to go all in on myself. Just like you should do in your life, whatever your endeavors you're going through, whether it's trading, whether that's being, a better father or a better wife or a better husband or a better mother. Whatever endeavor you're doing, a better employee at your job or a better business owner, whatever you're doing, you should want to go all in on yourself. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go all in on myself. I'm betting on me. So I'm going to take the time to learn even more. So that way, when I'm bringing these videos, one, it'll be higher quality because I took the time to, learn more about this. So that way, when I get this information out to y'all, it's in a higher quality. As well as I'll be giving you higher quality information as well. I have people hit me up all the time about getting started and when I'm gonna have a class again. It's definitely coming soon. But I just want to make sure that I have enough knowledge so that when I impart it on people, they're not lost completely. I know it's a lot to get started in investing, let alone trading, but I want to get them where I can I can give enough knowledge where they're not completely lost. They have a clue. They have a starting point and a foundation that they can build on. So I'm betting on me. You should bet on yourself as well. Thank you for following my trading journey. I am not a financial advisor at all. I'm just out here showing my friends and family and some people on YouTube that you don't have to be rich to be on Wall Street and to make money in the stock market. Yeah.